Hello and welcome back to the crypto channel number 1, where we're covering up all of the most resonant and best crypto news. And today it's part 2 of analytics, where we speaking about UNI, Bitcoin Cash and link analysis, also some interesting news. So stay tuned and hit that like, subscribe button. Thank you so much. So let's get started. Uniswap broke above the 200-day SMA, $25.81 on August 6, and the bulls successfully defended the retest of the level on August 8. This suggests that the 200-day SMA will now act as a support on future declines. So the buyers will now try to thrust the price above the overhead resistance at $30. If they manage to do that, it will suggest that the downtrend is over. The UNI USDT pair could then start its journey to $37 and later to $44. Contrary to this assumption, if the price turns down from $30, the pair could again drop to the 200-day SMA. A break below this support will suggest that the bulls may be losing their grip. The pair may then drop to $23.45. So Bitcoin Cash broke above the 546.83 resistance on August 6, which completed the double bottom pattern. The bulls have successfully held the breakout level for the past 2 days, which is a positive sign. The Bitcoin Cash USDT pair could now rise to the 200-day SMA, where the bulls may again face a stiff resistance. A breakout and close above this level could clear the path for the pair to rally to the pattern target at $710. Contrary to this assumption, if the price turned down from the 200-day SMA, the pair could oscillate between the moving averages for a few days. A break below the 15-day SMA could increase the likelihood of a decline to $450. So here we have actually the Bitcoin Cash 1-day chart on Binance and zone of interest with 200-day SMA. So speaking about Link, the bears attempted to pull Chainlink back below the breakout level at $24 on August 8, but failed. This suggests that the sentiment has turned positive and traders are buying on dips. The bulls will now try to push the price to the overhead resistance at $26.48, where the bears may again mount a stiff resistance. If the price turns down from this level, the Link USDT pair could stay range bound between $26.48 and $22.77 for a few days. A breakout and close above the 200-day SMA will signal an end of the downtrend. The pair could then rally to $32 and later to $35.33. On other hand, a break below $22 could result in a decline for the 50-day SMA. So this is actually Cointelegraph point of view, which we are discussing, and obviously every investment and trading move involves risk. You should conduct your own research when making a decision. That's what I always said. So, okay, let's move to the most resonant crypto news. So Coinbase's capital markets had reportedly leaves company. People familiar with the matter claimed Brad Redfern's departure was due to Coinbase shifting its priorities away from digital asset securities. So Brad Redfern, the former director of the Division of Trading and Markets at the United States Securities and Exchange Commission, has reportedly left this position at Coinbase after less than 5 months. According to a Wall Street Journal report, Redfern resigned as the head of Coinbase's capital markets group at the end of July. People familiar with the matter claimed this departure was due to the crypto exchange shifting its priorities away from digital asset securities. So, during his time at Coinbase, Redfern was responsible for the crypto exchange's strategy for crypto capital markets, including digital asset securities. The United States-based crypto exchange was hired a number of individuals formerly involved with the government prior to and following its initial public offering in April. So, what's actually also interesting is, and I think obviously worth mentioning, that bears leak their post while Bitcoin price blasts through $46,000. Derivatives data shows the market is dominated by longs and that top traders added leverage as Bitcoin price rallied to $46,300. So Bitcoin hiked 20% in 7 days is an expected move that brought the price to its highest level since May 18. The price appreciation happened despite United States Treasury Secretary reportedly supporting a broader definition of crypto companies. In the H.R. 3684 infrastructure bill currently being considered in the United States Senate. Even though Bitcoin price continues to surge higher, investors are worried that regulation could erase the recent gains, but derivatives indicators show no sign of confidence from the bears. So the proposal mandates that digital asset transactions worth more than $10,000 are reported to the Internal Revenue Service, including validators, miners, and protocol developers. However, Senator Cynthia Lummis and Senator Pat Toomey are lobbying to focus those requirements exclusively on brokers and the exchanges. Holders keep holding, and inflation benefits the crypto market. Margin and future markets show little activity from bears. So it's really interesting. Here we have the Bitcoin price and Coinbase in USD. And actually we can see that we have pretty much strong moving. So it's really interesting. On-chain analysis firm Glassnode highlighted that coins held for 12 months and longer are not being moved despite the strong rally, indicating a holding behavior. Meanwhile, the Crypto Fear and Greed Index, a well-known indicator that tracks volatility, volume, social media dominance, and Google search, moved from moderate to greed. The 74-point indicator reached on August 8 was the highest level since April 18, indicating that investors firmly believe that the bottom of this cycle is behind us. The index ranged from 0 extreme fear to 100 for maximum greed. It's worth noting that the United States Bureau, will release July's inflation report on Wednesday, with markets forecasting a 0.5 increase. Cryptocurrency markets are also reacted positively after Federal Reserve Chairman Jerome Powell failed to explain how the 5.4% year-over-year increase on the consumer price would recede. So I think it's pretty much interesting, and let me know what you're thinking. Share with me your thoughts. Share your thoughts with me, and leave the comment in the comment section below. So subscribe if you're not yet subscribed, and hit on the video which right now on your screen, because here even more interesting and they're even more interesting and actually